Welcome to the Queen Elizabeth Eco Park Island Resort. Here, you can find all the information you need to know about this amazing island resort located in the heart of the countryside of Sibalone, Philippines. The resort offers 2 natural spring water pools, perfect for swimming and relaxing. It can accommodate up to 50 people, making it the perfect getaway for a large group of friends or family. We will be providing you with all the latest news and updates about the resort.
This from your mom?
Yeah. My mother is Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Oh,
So
okay.
we're gonna make it.
Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice name. Very nice. So people come to your resort. How many you can accommodate to?
50 people.
50 people?
Yeah.
They stay comfortable?
Yeah.
And it's nice, right? It's like nature here. It's
Yeah.
like very, very nice. It's fun. A very great place to stay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the water you change every 3 days?
Yeah. I changed it for 3
And
days.
like, what water are you using? Like that's the...
We use it our pump.
From the well?
Yeah, the well.
So it's fresh water coming
Yeah.
from here, and it's so clean. It's so beautiful. There's no chlorine. When the water gets dirty, they change all the time. It's really nice. And the food is good. What kind of food do you guys serve? Well, if somebody is staying here, do you give free breakfast, something like that? Or not?
Yeah.
And of course,
Yeah. In the morning we serve egg
right?
and then dried fish.
And
Yeah, and vegetables.
And dried fish, by the way, it's so good when you eat with rice in the vegetable.
Yeah.
You won't know until you try it, but it's very good. But here in the Philippines, everything is fresh, right? It's very good. You know what it's like?
Yeah, it's made
It's so beautiful. It's nice. Look at this waiting area. So if you come here to Queen Elizabeth, you come here, you wait with your guests here until you do your registration here, so you get ready for your hut, your stay. You will very enjoy this place. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at this. You won't see this anywhere. Look at the beauty. That's from natural wood. You make a nice table with natural wood. Welcome to Queen Elizabeth Eco Park. This is a beautiful park. Well, let me show you the little features of this park. As I said, this is a Queen Elizabeth Eco Park Island Resort. There's a chicken. Got chickens walking around everywhere. Look at this beautiful pool. The waters change every 3 days, and this is every 3 days. No chlorine, all natural water. Queen Elizabeth Park. We have even a little baby pool. Very nice. I'm just gonna put my feet in here. It's nice. Oh, that's so nice and warm, beautiful water. And there's the entrance. Moon with the ring. We have eagles here, hawks. Beautiful hawk. Yeah, so this is a great place if you are into the nature, like this is a very nice place to stay at the Queen Elizabeth Eco Park. Also, like this is the shower room. You can have a shower in here. Before you go swimming, you should shower. And then this is a little hut. You have a little place to stay. There's rooms here. There's 4 rooms in this hut. Eating area where you can have your parties. Nice, you can have a nice party in here, And also, of course, what's a party without the karaoke machine? You have to have this music karaoke. It's very nice.